Hi there, this is Rob Bannister and I'm here to show you the new ultralight drone from DJI, the Mavic Mini. This video is brought to you by Broadway Camera. They've been kind enough to allow me to open this and hopefully answer any questions you may have. This here is the Mavic Mini Fly More combo, which includes a carry case, propeller guards, the Mavic controller and charger itself, and then 3 extra batteries. Let's open it up and see what's inside. We've got the carry case, which I think has the drone inside. Propeller guards, probably use those inside. Manuals, batteries, I can't believe there's 3 in there, and then a charger. Okay, so inside of the carrying case is where you'll find the super tiny Mavic Mini, and then we have the controller, which is almost bigger than the Mini itself. The 2-way charging hub, which can fit all 3 batteries.
It uses both an FCC and CE compliant Wi-Fi transmission system. I was impressed they were able to squeeze in 30 minutes of max flight time, and by using either the micro USB port for fast charging or the 2-way charging hub, you'll be back up and flying in no time. With downward facing sensors and GPS, the drone is able to maintain stability when hovering both indoors and outdoors. When you first start the new DJI Fly app, you are greeted with a set of tutorials to get you familiar with the controls and turn anyone into a confident drone pilot. It also helps that the UI is extremely easy to navigate. I love the addition of the creator templates and editing modes available inside the app. Editing is super simple, and I dare say it's one of the best editing apps on mobile that I've ever used. Within the app, DJI have added a new mode called Quickshots. This mode is a one-click solution for cinematic aerial movements. You can choose from several predefined movements such as rocket, droney, circle, and helix. I was a bit disappointed there was no manual settings when shooting video, but after looking at the files, I'm completely blown away with the image quality coming out of the 2/3 sensor. It can record video at a resolution of 2.7K and takes stills at 12 megapixels. DJI must be performing some magic here. The noise and dynamic range are excellent. I do hope they open this up in the future. Having the option to change advanced settings and use a log profile would be welcome additions to any advanced users. So after trying the new Mavic Mini over the past couple of days, I must say I've had a lot of fun flying the new ultralight drone from DJI. Overall, I think they've created something really special here. They've been able to fit a whole lot of features and technology into an impossibly small and lightweight package. There'll be some third-party accessories coming out where you can style your drone with a DIY creative kit and then display it on a charging base. Please post any comments or questions that you have, and until then, fly safe and thanks for watching.